Hey guys, today we're going to go over some more stars.
In this video, we're going to have triple stars, main sequence stars, sun-like stars, blue dwarf stars, wolf riot stars, green stars, quasi stars, close neighbor stars, hypergiants, egg-shaped stars, binaries, giant stars, and eclipsing binaries.
So this first star is actually flattened out,
which is Altair, the white dwarf star, which only takes 10 hours to rotate. And what makes this star special is because it rotates so fast, it's actually flattened out, so it's not round. Located in the Aquila constellation.
The next star looks kind of green, and that is Zubeneschamali, which is a blue-white dwarf star.
But it appears green because of spectrum lines. Green stars don't actually exist. It's the brightest star in Libra.
The next one is nicknamed the Eye of the Bull.
And that is Aldebaran, an orange-red giant. But it's not alone. It actually has a companion star orbiting it named Aldebaran B, a red dwarf star. It also has evidence of 2 planets, including a hot Jupiter. It's nicknamed the Eye of the Bull because it's the brightest star in Taurus and one of the brightest in the night sky.
This next star is the closest giant star to the sun.
And that is Pollux, an orange giant star with 1 planet orbiting it named Pollux B, also known as Theseus. It's the brightest star in the Gemini constellation, and it's one of the heads of the twins.
This next star is stretched out.
And that is Vega, a blue-white dwarf main sequence star that takes 12.5 hours to rotate, which makes it egg-shaped. Vega is the second most studied star after the Sun. Vega has 2 asteroid belt-like disks, an inner and an outer one. It also has a serious lack of planet formation. But recently, NASA has thought to have detected a massive exoplanet orbiting it. You can find it in the constellation Lyra.
The next star is like our sun.
And that's Alpha Centauri A, which is the closest yellow dwarf to the sun. And it's in the closest star system to the sun with Alpha Centauri B and Proxima Centauri. It's the brightest star in the Centaurus constellation.
The next star is binary,
which is Australis, which is a binary star, which means there's 2 of them. Australis A, an F-type star. Australis B, a B-type star. It's the brightest star in the Sagittarius constellation.
This next star is being eclipsed.
And that's Cephei, a red hypergiant and eclipsing binary star. And that's Cephei B, which is a smaller, hotter companion star, which is being eclipsed and is eclipsing the main star, located in the Cepheus constellation.
This next star is one of the most luminous ones in the Milky Way.
And that's the Pistol Star, a blue hypergiant located in the Milky Way's galactic center region. The reason it's called the Pistol Star is because it lights up the Pistol Nebula. Both are in the Sagittarius constellation.
This next one finishes its life so fast.
R136A1 is a wolf riot star, which is a hot, massive, luminous star that doesn't live long. Found in the Tarantula Nebula in the Large Magellanic Cloud in the Dorado constellation.
This next star is larger and hotter than our sun.
Procyon A, a yellow-white dwarf star, which is binary with Procyon B, and is one of 3 stars in the Winter Triangle asterism along with Sirius and Betelgeuse. Found in Canis Minor.
This next star actually creates another shape with Altair and Vega.
And that's Deneb, a blue-white supergiant that is thought to be a binary star, which is extremely unlikely. But it's in the Summer Triangle asterism along with Altair and Vega. You can find Deneb in the Cygnus constellation. This next star is nicknamed the rival of Mars because of its red color. And that is Antares, a red supergiant, but it's actually not alone. There's 2 of them. Antares A, a red supergiant, Antares B, a blue-white main sequence star. It's the brightest star in the Scorpius constellation. This next one is one of the largest known stars in the universe. And that's a red hypergiant, VY Canis Majoris, which is surrounded by a nebula cloud made from its ejected mass, located in Canis Major.
This next one is the end of a red dwarf. A blue dwarf star, which is thought to be the end of a red dwarf star when it gets hotter. The next one is the North Star. And that is Polaris, the North Star, because it's always north so people can navigate by it on Earth. It's actually a triple star system, so Polaris A is a yellow-white supergiant, while Polaris AB and Polaris B are the smaller F-type stars. You can find them in the constellation Ursa Minor. This next one is Betelgeuse's newly discovered companion.
And that is Siwarha, a blue-white pre-main sequence star with a weight 1.5 times that of our Sun, and it will end in 100,000 years when Betelgeuse supernovas. You can find it in the Orion constellation.
The last star is Hypothetical.
And that is a Quasi star, or a black hole star, which is an extremely massive type of luminous star that can have a black hole at the center of it.
Hope you learned something new today. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos. Bye.